Let's make crunchy, spicy, tangy tofu buffalo wings. Press and slice your tofu, then marinate it in plenty of flavorful buffalo sauce. Set the tofu aside, but don't rinse out that bowl. Instead, add vegan mayo and more buffalo sauce and whisk that together. Dredge your tofu pieces in the mayo mixture, then pat on plenty of crunchy panko. Arrange the tofu in a single layer in your air fryer basket or on a baking sheet. Then you're ready to bake or air fry until the panko coating starts to turn golden brown. Serve up these crunchy tofu wings with your favorite creamy dipping sauce.